Welcome to my channel. This is Skill Up, and in this channel I teach you digital skills and every other IT skills that will help you grow. Alright guys, if this is your first time stumbling into the channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a new video you will get to see it. And also please do like this video and also press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Alright, let's dive into what we have for today. Alright, welcome back to Skill Up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do click the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. In today's video, we'll look at how you can download Windows 10 straight into your USB flash drive and then go ahead and install Windows 10 on your PC. So the first thing first, you head over to Google and type Windows 10 download or download Windows 10. Don't this first one, you skip this first one and go to the second one, and this is the interface. So you click on download. After clicking on download, you wait for it to download straight to your PC or your computer. So click on the download button right there and just be patient for it to download to your PC. Alright, as you can see, it's downloading into PC. Alright, so wait for it to finish downloading. So the next thing you do is to input your USB flash drive into your PC, and you go over to where the installation was downloaded. Double click on it, and this interface will open. Get a few things ready. Just hold on, let it load. Then you scroll down and click on next. Allow it to load. Then you click on create installation media USB flash drive. So you click on that particular one, then click on next. Then you can uncheck that box, and if you want to change the language to English United, you can leave it at English United Kingdom, but if you want to change it, just do that. So then click on next. Then you select USB flash drive. You select USB flash drive and click on next. Then click on the Windows 10 bootable. Click on it and click on next. You allow it to load. At this point, you need to be patient. It can take a long time for it to finish downloading. All right. Then when it finished downloading, just you see that it has downloaded. You see the Windows 10 setup on your flash drive. Then you can input your flash drive again, and from your flash drive you can start installing the Windows 10. Right, just click on that particular USB. All right, you see that it has started installing. So select your language, United States, then click on next, then click on install now. Your setup is starting, so you wait for it to upload, then enter. If you don't have the key, just I don't have a key, so you select any of the version and click on next. You click on the I accept the license terms, then click on next. You can click on custom. Then if you want to partition your drive, you can click on custom and partition your drive, then click on OK. and click on next. As you can see, Windows 10 is downloading on your PC, so you have to be patient for it to download. It may take a while on some system, depends on how fast your system is. So you can see that it's downloading, so you can go ahead and alright, you can see Windows 10 has been downloaded on our system. If you gain value from this, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. Leave me a comment if there's any question you need to ask concerning this tutorial. See you in my next video.